Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to set up DuckStation Emulator within Hyperspin and RocketLauncher. You're going to need a few things. You're going to need to download Visual++ and install that, or you'll run into some issues later on. Quick Google search and you can find that. You're also going to need AutoHotkey installed so you can create a AHK and an ISD to run, so RocketLauncher can run DuckStation. I've got my programs installed, my AutoHotkey, and my Visual++ is updated. Everything else is in this folder right here. You're going to need your DuckStation zip and a BIOS to run the PlayStation. So we're going to cut these. You're going to go to your Hyperspin folder, your emulators folder within that. You're going to want to create a new folder, label it Sony PlayStation. Open that folder up, paste your zips in. You're going to want to extract here. And I'm going to go ahead and delete this zip. In this folder, you're going to want to create another folder called BIOS. And we're going to drag our BIOS zip, or if it's already unzipped, into this folder. I'm going to go ahead and zip this here, or unzip this here. I'm going to change this name to the same thing, just lowercase, and delete my zip. Now, you're going to want to open up this application here, DuckStation Qt, and you should see your emulator's user interface. Now, when you click Start BIOS, it's not going to open up like that. It's going, if you go to BIOS settings, you can change the BIOS directory. I've already done that. The standard directory will be looking in your user files. So just go ahead and change that and direct it to your BIOS. But now that we got this running, we can close it out. And what we want to do is we want to create the AutoHotkey module we're going to need to run it from RocketLauncher. Now I already have this link here open on the RocketLauncher forum. Somebody has posted the code and for the ISD and the AHK that we're going to need to create. So first, you want to copy and paste this code. See if I can. You're going to want to copy this, and then you're going to want to go to your desktop. Now you have to have AutoHotkey installed. You're going to right click, go to New, AutoHotkey script. I'm going to name this Sony PlayStation. Right click and edit script. You're going to delete all this, and you're going to paste your code there. Now file, save, and you're going to need to open up Notepad. Go back to your link. You want to copy and paste this code for the ISD into Notepad. Then you're going to File, Save As, Sony PlayStation. And I'm going to save this on my desktop. Go ahead and exit that out. I can exit out of my browser. Now I should have somewhere here. Oh, oh, I'm sorry, I forgot one thing here. Let's delete this file. Open up Notepad again. Paste our code once again. File, save as Sony PlayStation. And you're going to go save file type, all files. You're going to do Sony PlayStation .isd. And may want to actually have no spaces in file name. So go ahead and save that new file. Exit out. Go ahead and change your auto hotkey script to the same, exact same. Now both of these files we're going to need to put into our Rocket Launcher modules directory. So to do that, you're going to go to your root drive or wherever you have your Rocket Launcher folder. Open your Rocket Launcher folder up. In that, you're going to have a modules folder. Open that. And we're going to need to create another folder called DuckStation. Oh, I messed this all up. So copy and paste, and these file names should match the folder name. A little confused today. Just go ahead and make sure all your files are named correctly, unlike this guy. All right, close. Open up your Rocket Launcher UI. Global Emulators tab. You're going to want to create a new emulator. We're going to call this Sony PlayStation. Under path, we're going to direct it to our DuckStation emulator here. On an extension, go ahead and put bin, Q, throw ISO, and that should, whatever your ROMs are set as, make sure you put the file type here. I would suggest bin and Q files. Under module, we're going to direct it to our new module here. Look up DuckStation, and it should pop up here. See? And we're going to save. Now, click Sony PlayStation Emulators tab. We're going to direct it to the default emulator, which should be Sony PlayStation. And just for the hell of it, we're also going to add it under this tab. So we'll go ahead and PlayStation. And PlayStation, direct it once again back to your DuckStation. QT. Bin, Q, ISO, whatever you have. Direct it to the module, DuckStation, save. I'll click that, go to here, launch emulator just to test that it works, and it works. And click Start BIOS. just to confirm that everything works. Now, what we can do is test a few games. So I have these two games here. I'm going to cut. I'm going to go to wherever you keep your ROMs. I keep mine at the root drive in a ROMs folder. I'm going to create a new folder. Sony PlayStation. Paste. Now you're going to want to extract here. Take a few seconds, a minute. And then after that's done, I'm going to go ahead and delete the RAR files just to save storage space. All right, go ahead and delete your zip files if you so choose. Go to ROM pass, direct it to your Sony PlayStation ROMs folder, and then when that's done, click your Games tab and go to Audit. And I can't see the bottom of it here, but I'm gonna assume that it found those two games. Yep, it did. So you're gonna want to highlight one of them and go up here, launch selected game. And voila. I hope that helps somebody. A little bit of a pain. You got to create those auto hotkey files and find that code. Luckily, somebody had already coded those auto hotkey scripts for us. But hope this helps somebody out. I had to use this emulator. I could not get any other emulators to run stably within Hyperspin. So happy gaming. Once again, I hope this helps somebody out. Peace.